sundown before sleeping. I am the worst of me, I am a mess of these old themes in the murmur of half dreams. Whisper seductively, it's stank seeds, it's mere fiction. These visions caught somewhere between delusion and prophecy. What I haven't done, what I've wanted to, what I fear you have becomes reality here. Bright lights in the young night, keep to the beat. A classic party scene, crowded and interesting. No life, no love, no history. Just touch, just chemistry. Just a roaring undercurrent, simple and sensory. Young bodies, warm skin, perfect symmetry. And it's a moment, harmless, it's energy. It's like medicine, it's self-discovery. See, all the secrets I keep, like other secrets.